हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू पंडोरे स्टडीज़। आज मैं आप सभी के लिए लेकर आई हूँ एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट एसे ऑन जीएसटी। जीएसटी का फुल फॉर्म होता है गुड्स एंड सर्विस टैक्स, जो हम सभी के लिए बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है। हमारी सरकार द्वारा लागू किया गया टैक्स है ये, जो हम सभी को देना पड़ता है। जो प्रोडक्ट हम खरीदते हैं उस पर ही जो उसका जो प्राइस हम देते हैं उससे हम उसका जीएसटी देते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं एसे ऑन जीएसटी। Essay on Goods and Service Tax, that is GST. Goods and Service Tax is an indirect tax. This tax is present in India. The collection of this tax takes place from the point of consumption. This is in contrast to collection from the point of origin like previous taxes. This tax's imposition is at every step in the production process. The refund is for all the parties in the various stages of production. GST include almost all indirect tax. Explanation on GST. Firstly, goods and service tax. GST is a single tax system. The imposition of this tax takes place jointly by the center and the state. The imposition happens with the recommendation of a federal council. In GST, the goods and services are divided into 5 different tax slabs. This is for the purpose of the tax collection. Other than that, the tax slabs are 0%, minus 0%, 5%, 12%, 18%, and 28%. Petroleum product, alcoholic drinks, and electricity do not come under GSTs. Rough precious and semi-precious stones carry a special rate of 0.25% gold. Gold also carries a special rate of 3% GST. GST certainly summed several taxes and levies. These include central excise duty, service tax, and additional custom duty. Moreover, states level VAT, surcharges, and octroi also come under GST. The GST remains has regained as done away with levies. Also, these levies are applicable to interstate transportation of goods. Most importantly, the application of GST is on all transactions. These transactions are sale, purchase, transfer, lease, and import. Benefits of GST. Firstly, the cascading tax effect refers to a tax on tax. Most importantly, GST eliminates the cascading effect of tax. This is because GST is comprehensive indirect tax. Another very important advantage of GST is the increase in the threshold of registration. Earlier, a VAT is applied for if the turnover has more than rupees 5 lakh. This VAT's application was upon a business. There was no service tax when turnover was less than 10 lakhs, or contrast under GST threshold is 20 lakh rupees. This means an exemption for many small traders and services providers. Small business can certainly benefit significantly under GST. Other than that, these small businesses have the turnover of rupees 20 to 75 lakhs. The benefit of these small business take place due to the composition scheme. Under GST, there is an option for small businesses to lower taxes. They can do so but utilizing the composition scheme. The entire process of GST is available online. Most importantly, it is an easy and simple online process. Therefore, it is really beneficial for start-up business. This is because they don't have to struggle on get different registrations. Now the conclusion. GST has become a revolutionary tax system for India. The most importantly, many experts hail it as one of the biggest tax reform. GST surely is beneficial for the entire population of India. सो गाइस, इसी के साथ ये लेक्चर यहाँ पे ख़त्म होता है। इसमें मैंने आपको जीएसटी के बारे में सारी जानकारी दी है। सो आप ऐसे ही वीडियोस के लिए पंडोरे स्टडीज़ को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को हिट कर दीजिए। इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक कीजिए, इसे शेयर कीजिए, इस पर कमेंट्स करके मुझे बताइए कि आपको कैसी लगी, और सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए पंडोरे स्टडीज़ को। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग गाइज। डू लाइक इट, कमेंट्स ऑन इट, शेयर दिस वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू पंडोरे स्टडीज़। और सब्सक्राइब करने के बाद बेल आइकन को हिट करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा। इस वीडियो की PDF लिंक के लिए आप हमारे वेबसाइट पर जा सकते हैं, जिसमें आपको इसका PDF लिंक मिल जाएगा। सो गाइज़, जिसका लिंक मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगी। सो गाइज़, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग इट।